Goans have to come out on the streets, whoever the powers be, whichever minister is involved, and put a stop to this or control.
दिसता ते हिल कटिंग न्ही, दिसना ते आनी वर्स्ट सिच्युएशन आहा. लोकांचेर ब्लेम करता सरकार की त्यांच्यानी जमनी विकपाक जायना म्हणून, आणि हे सायडीन सरकार आहा पळय ते 49 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर कन्वर्ट करून दिता तांकां.
But if somebody has got objections, you are entitled to file objection.
एक बातीम लेक विच इज सच एन इको सेन्सिटिव्ह एरिया, ते लेकीच्या कुशीक आख्खो दोंगर कातरला तेणी आनी कोणे कांयच म्हणूंक ना तेका.
वी अंडरस्टँड मनी इज इम्पॉर्टंट, बट कितले म्हूण खातले रे तुमी, कितले म्हूण चोत्तले आनी कितले म्हूण तुमची पोटां भरना. आयज पयले भाशेन गोंयकार सुसेगाद ना. प्रत्येक गांवांतल्यान आमकां फोन येता, हांगा या थंय यात, अरे आयज दोंगर विल्ल्यात.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Goa 365 Story Behind the Story. Now there has been a lot of noise, anger, recriminations, pressure, weight, phone calls, all for something which has been happening for some time now. Conversions, hill cuttings, real estate, construction, development, quote unquote, in Goa. Now lots of these issues are not bad, right? But because all of us need houses, all of us have got lands, at least most Goans, the people who come from outside don't have, but we have. But what has really hit the people and what has agitated a large number of people in North and South Goa is the way the permissions are being given. A local goes for a permission, he has to follow all the things. Even if he does something, he will be harassed. Even if everything is legal or illegal, doesn't make a difference. But when these guys come, they buy, they throw pots of money, they buy land, and they change the demography of the whole village. Now you talk of a village like say Asagaon or Sankwal. They have got 100, 200 original houses. People from outside Goa have come and built 1,000, 2,000 flats. Where is the Goan there? The Goan becomes a minority. Already there are people who have got MLAs and panchas who are not from Goa. It will happen here also. So because of this demography and because of this blatant use of money power and muscle power which is being used by these unscrupulous elements without any control by the government, especially its ministers, people have come out on the roads. Now, sorry I've had to give this edit right at the beginning of this program, but this is the reason why lots of people are upset, and this is the reason why Goans have to come out on the streets, whoever the powers be, whichever minister is involved, and put a stop to this or control, because Goa is for Goans. Everybody is welcome, but not as bosses, not as a construction company said, not as conquerors, as guests or assimilate into our culture. We are not going to do their culture. To discuss this issue or not, whether it's good and it is bad, I have people who are involved from both sides, from the official side as well as activists and political parties with me on this panel today. Starting with my good friend Ramabab Kangtonkar, social activist. Ramabab, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
Another closer friend, Advocate Siddharth Bab Samant. Siddharth Bab, welcome to our show. Francis Bab Coelho, even better friend from our Francis Bab, welcome to our show. And last but not the least, Pratima Bai Kutino, who always keeps on spoiling my sentiments. Pratima ma'am, welcome to our show. Now, Rama Bab, tell us, yesterday you all went from north to south fighting about this hill cutting. What is the issue according to you? Why? Is it what I said is right, or is it more something worse than that? What exactly is the issue? And why should Goans, all of them, be so worried about what's happening in Goa? Rama Bab.
थँक यू सो मच. एक गजाल आसा, हिल कटिंगाचे क्वेश्चन्स येता तेन्ना डेफिनेटली हिल कटिंग चालू आसा, आनी दिसता ते हिल कटिंग न्ही, दिसना ते आनी वर्स्ट सिच्युएशन आहा. म्हळ्यार कितें, दोंगरा सायडीन जंय लोक पावना पळय थंयसर हिल कटिंग अशें जाल्लें आहा. काल चोपडे गेल्ले आमी थंयसर, म्हणजे दिसना लोकांक, पूण भितरल्यान सगळें पोखरिल्लें आसा. वयरसून कोण हेलिकॉप्टरान ट्रॅव्हल करता जाल्यार ताका सारकें दिश्टी पडटलें. पूण आतां हें हिल कटिंग जाता तेन्ना आमकां कंटिन्युअसली कॉल्स येता एक्टिविस्टांक, हांगा हिल कटिंग जाता तो बिकॉज दे आर सीइंग एवरीथिंग वॉट एवर इज हॅपनिंग. सो दे फायंड्स एक्टिविस्ट कॅन हेल्प अस आउट. एक्चुअली पळोवपाक गेल्यार गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर्स जे आसा पळय ते हेल्पाक येवपाक जाय आशिल्ले, नाजाल्यार स्क्वॉड्स आसा तेंचो नंबर आसा थंयसर डायल केल्यार थंयसर येवपाक जाय. बट वॉट इज हॅपनिंग रायट नाव, दे आर हॅव्हिंग मोर ट्रस्ट ऑन द एक्टिविस्ट. द एक्टिविस्ट कॅन हेल्प आउट. आतां एक गजाल आसा की हिल कटिंग जाता कशें, सिंपल गजाल आसा. टुडे 49 lakh square meter area has been converted. पहिली गजाल म्हणटा ती झोन चेंज जायना आसतना तुका थंयचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन करूंक शकना कायदेशीर. आता पहिली म्हणटा ते तांकां फुल ऑन 49 lakhs has been converted and this conversion has been happened under the officials who is Rajesh Naik, and second thing under the TCP minister who is Vishwajit and chief minister Pramod Sawant आसा. All the departments are concerned. आता जेन्ना ही 49 lakh square meter कन्वर्ट जाली, कन्वर्जन जाल्या उपरांत ज्या लोकांनी जमनी आपणी घेतला पळय तांकां दिसता नाव इट इज माय रोल, आय डू हिल कटिंग, आय डू लँड फिलिंग, इट इज माय रोल, हांव करतलो. म्हणल्यार आयज ते जे बोर्ड होर्डिंग्स लागलेले आसा पळय दिल्ली टू कॉन्कर गोवा म्हणून,
Yeah, exactly.
it is about the same. They are saying we have already purchased the property, government is saying you should not sell the land, but they will convert the 49 lakhs, they can convert it to make आराम से बिल्डिंग कन्स्ट्रक्शन हायर एंड बिल्डिंग्स ते करपाक शकता. लोकांचेर ब्लेम करता सरकार की त्यांच्यानी जमनी विकपाक जायना म्हणून, आणि हे सायडीन सरकार आहा पळय ते 49 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर कन्वर्ट करून दिता तांकां. हेतून कितें जाता एक्चुअली पळोवपाक गेल्यार हिल कटिंग जे आयज लेवलाचेर चल्लेलें आसा पळय इट इज एक्चुअली अ डेंजरस सिच्युएशन फॉर गोवा, बिकॉज we are talking about Wayanad now, but we are going to face the same situation of Wayanad very soon. The three places right now out of hill cutting across Goa, एक more than म्हाका दिसता 150 hill cuttings चालू आसा सध्या एट प्रेझेंट. कळ्ळें तुका? लास्ट अभिजित प्रभुदेसाय आनी बाकीचे जे एक्टिविस्ट आहा पळय ते स्वप्नेशा कडेन जेन्ना डिस्कशन करतालो हांव, मोर देन 150 hill cuttings is on going. Chief Minister have instructed Talati that he will be responsible if there is any hill cutting. But I don't find any single action on the Talati because the hill cutting is going on. आता जेन्ना तीन गोष्टी म्हणटात, एक म्हणटा ते DLF this will be the Wayanad because DLFचे सकल गांव आहा. आता वयर जे प्रोजेक्ट चालू आसा पळय तो सगळो सकल खसून दर्यान मांडवीन वचपाक चड टायम लागपाचो ना. दिस विल बी द सिच्युएशन बिकॉज वेन यू आर कटिंग डावन कंप्लीट हे दोळ्या मुखार जाता आमची. दुसरी गजाल म्हणटा ती आयज हिल कटिंग भुतानीच्या जाग्यारूच चल्लेले आसले. DLF आसा, भुतानी आसा, these are the major people who already had a meeting before 6 years before when I have seen advertisement on the Navin Times. I have seen advertisement that we are ready to spend 40,000 crores on the infrastructure to the government to develop the infrastructure and we can change provided government work with us. हे व्हडलो टायटल येयल्लो आनी तातून हे जे बिझनेसमॅन्स आहा पळय DLF भुतानी हे सगळे दीज आर द टॉप बिझनेसमॅन हू हॅड अ मीटिंग इन दिल्ली. सो वॉट आय फील रायट नाव दिस हिल कटिंग is not stopping because the authorities is being controlled by the politicians. Authorities will work only when politicians will direct them to work. Authorities in the sense police officers. आता आज हिल कटिंग चालू आहा, बाउन्सरांक धरून हिल कटिंग झाडां कट करपाचें चालू आहा आनी बाउन्सरांक प्रोटेक्ट कोण करता? बाउन्सरांक प्रोटेक्ट करपाक पुलीस आयिल्ले आहा. जेन्ना लोक भायर सरता तेन्ना लोकांक एक्चुअली पळोवपाक गेल्यार लोक भायर सरता तेन्ना कंप्लेन कोणाचेर जाता? लोकांचेर जाता, पूण तेंचेर कंप्लेन जायना. सो सिच्युएशन हे इतले बॅड आसा. आय थिंक सो इफ दीस डू नॉट स्टॉप नाव गोवा विल बी कंप्लिटली फिनिश्ड. वी विल नॉट हॅव वॉटर टू ड्रिंक. वाय? नंबर वन, आयज दोंगरांनी जे उदक आहा पळय ते आयज आमी पिवपाक मेळटा, बायन उदक येता. म्हादय विकपाच्या परिस्थितीन सध्या प्रेझेंटली चालू आसा तांची. म्हादयचें उदक तर ना जालें जाल्यार दोंगराचें उदक आहा पळय ते फुडले 6 म्हयने मेळटा आमकां. आता दोंगरूय तर ना जाले जाल्यार मागीर आमी खंय वचपाची?
Okay, fair enough. Sanbab, now development is good, but all development and this type development which like does not take into consideration carrying capacity, road. See the state of our road. You know, we have been covering that. Everybody has been covering it for there is no water in many places, even during the rains. Electricity though is a mess. You can go and ask any industrialist in EDC and all, they will tell you they all work on generators. So second thing is such huge projects, have they got any? I'm not saying development is bad. We should villas, houses for Goans, and business is business. But like this blatant and in your face, I can do what I want. What do you feel?
Two aspects to it. One is sustainability. That's viability. खंयच्याय projectaचो viability. It will be what will be the impact on environment is one aspect of it. And another right now the issue जो चालला पळय that is about illegal conversion and illegal land filling, illegal hill cutting. These are two separate things. Of course खंयचो मेगा प्रोजेक्ट जेन्ना येतलो पळय तेन्ना तो मेगा प्रोजेक्ट आयल्या बरोबर त्याच्या बरोबर तितले लोक येतले रावपाक, सो तांच्या उदकाची तितली वेवस्था आसा काय ना, पावर तांकां आमी दिवपाक पावतले बिकॉज अदरवायज हाऊ विल दे स्टे देर, प्रॉपर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर रोड्स जातले काय ना, तितले एरिया आसा काय ना आमच्या कडेन, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तितले सस्टेन करपाक शकता काय ना, गांवांक ताचो इफेक्ट कितलो पडटलो कित्याक अल्टिमेटली उदक तर तितलेंच आसा. अनलेस प्लांट ओवपाची बिवपाची जर तुमी वाडयली त्या शिवाय उदक काय तांकां दिवपाक पावचें ना. एट हूज कॉस्ट गांवांतल्या लोकांक कमी करून तुमी तांकां दितले, हो एक एस्पेक्ट वेगळो आसा. बट प्रेझेंटली जो टॉपीक ताच्या बद्दल स्टार्ट केल्लो दॅट इज नथींग टू डू विथ सस्टेनेबिलिटी अँड वायबिलिटी, दॅट वी कॅन डिस्कस सेपरेटली. इल्लिगल लँड कटींग जें आसा पळय आनी इल्लिगल, दॅट इज आउट एंड आउट इल्लिगल. For that particular officer has to be held up. He is right there. Particular officer who, if somebody has not acted in accordance with law, of course the violator is the principal person who has done it. That man has to be taken to civil liability, compensation, restoring the land to its original view, as well as criminal liability. Because town and country planning, there are various sections can even be arrested for doing that. But unfortunately what has happened, we have to put a mechanism in place. Every time taking morcha, people taking law in hands, instead of that if proper grievance, a structured kind of grievance is entertained by the department itself or some kind of ombudsman, the existing system is also there under this to file complaints for even if hill cutting, let us say some conversion or for example a zone change is granted, you are entitled to file complaint. It's not that it is absolute or something like that. We will come to 16B and 17 later after some time. But it is not that internal mechanism is not there, but that needs to be effective. Now, for example, Fati Arjuna demolition then Pedna siting, all those things. So that was done in a structured manner. People went to the court. From courts they got order. So if something like that is done, I think we I mean lot of the destructions can be saved. Individually I am not interested in taking anybody's name, whether it is minister, whether it is particular officer. Ultimately government functions as per protocol. Briefs have been given up to a particular this deputy town planner as jurisdiction, then chief town planner then the file goes to the government. How the zone change is to be done is also stated in the act, that you have to first make तो आराखडा करून दवरचो पडटलो, मागीर लोकांचे ऑब्जेक्शन्स घेवचे पडटले, thereafter public hearings are held, thereafter it is promulgated. That's how the regional plans come. Now if somebody has got objections, you are entitled to file objections. Even courts have
39 in objection.
no 39 I will, if you want I will, if you want I will tell you about 16B, I will tell you about 17B, I will tell you about 39.
Now, my point is only one. Now my point is that the TCP minister has said that there is no hill cutting, right? TCP has not given permission for hill cutting.
Any hill
Now listen, the thing is that all of us have to realize one thing: TCP does not have the authority to give permission for hill cutting above that gradient. So it doesn't have the authority. What TCP has the authority is to give permission for development. Correct.
25.
So he's right technically, but what he's not saying is that TCP is the only department to keep a check when a complaint comes. There are 101 complaints gone to TCP, and more than that, today it's like the panchayat level is BJP, ZP level is BJP, the MLA level is BJP. Now if the panchayats and the ZPs and the MLAs can't see what's going on in front of their eyes, I don't know who's like why people have to come to the roads is because of the failure of the bureaucracy, the failure of the law. My point is only that. Now why should the minister or the chief minister or the TCP minister have to come on the roads and sort out every issue? Government officers are not paid salaries, they are paid fixed salaries. No, my point is that. So in Goa, looks like today there is only one solution: people's power, because the politicians are the only get scared when they are going to lose elections. Besides that, they don't care. So that is what is happening in Goa, I feel. Suppose if the structure, like for example, you're a lawyer, you fights, opening cases. There are a lot of laws, but implementation of the law is always the problem. This is my point on this. Francis, now you tell me one thing as a politician. What exactly you feel? You feel that the political class is doing its job, or that is why the authorities have no job? What is the scene?
सो हांव एक सांगूंक सोदता पळय एज अ पॉलिटिशियन आसूं यू नो आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू स्पीक एज अ पॉलिटिशियन और एज अ एक्टिविस्ट. आय वॉन्ट टू स्पीक एज अ गोंयकार.
Okay.
आमी I'll give you a simple example. You know, we'll get to like someone
39,
said 39A,
later, yeah.
16B and all. I've got like, you know, because the files are too heavy to carry, phone or PDF हाडले हांवें. But I'll give you a very हांव दुसरी example घेता. हो पळय हे पूल बांदताले न्हू, नवो पळय हायवे जाला तो
Zuari.
गोया वेला
okay.
हे पूल बांदला तो. थिंगा मरे दिलीप बिल्डकॉनान बातीम लेक आहा पळय थिंगा आगासाय त्या बातीम लेकाच्या कुशीक आख्खो दोंगर कातरला. आनी ते आख्खे पळय दोंगर कातरल्या ती माती आनी ते फातर ते पूल बांदतना ते सायडीक पूल बांदतना ते बोच्चे पडटा थिंगा. तो दोंगर कातरून तेणी थिंगा बोल्ला.
प्रॉपर्टी कोणाची ती सांगा.
प्रॉपर्टी कोणाची ती सोड, प्रॉपर्टीची कोणाची सोड. थिंगा आख्खो पंचायत बीजेपीची, तेन्ना आमदार बीजेपीचो, सरकार बीजेपीचो. ओके. आनी दिलीप बिल्डकॉनाक हेणी पळय हें केलां पळय तेन्ना अटॅक केला पळय तेन्ना तो परमिशनाक घेवन येयला हिल कटिंगाची. परमिशनाक घेवन येयला की बाबा हो दोंगर म्हाका कातरूंक दिलो तेका गिफ्ट केलेलो दोंगर कातर म्हणून तूं यू जस्ट अंडरस्टँड द ग्रॅविटी ऑफ द सिच्युएशन. In this case, there is no person who is that's how least bothered the सरकार is. हेंगा कांयच पडलेलें ना. चल हो आतां व्हडलो बिल्डर हो कोणा कडेन सरकारान येयलो. हांव तुका एक आय एम जस्ट सेइंग एग्जाम्पल. हो एक व्हडलो बिल्डर येयलो सरकारा कडेन, तेका बिल्डींग बांदून पयशेच मोडूंक जाय म्हणून तो कोणाक पयशे हावयता आनी मागीर परमिशनां घेता कातरपाक. एटलिस्ट तेजी कितें इंट्रस्ट आहा. दिलीप बिल्डकॉनाची तिका कांय इंट्रस्टूय ना. तो तिका बिल्डींग बांदपाकूय ना. तेका वगत कितें जाय आहलें, हातोर जाय आहलें बोरपाक. पूल बांदतना तो हें पळय बांदता तेणें अप्रोच पळय बांदता पळय तेन्ना थिंगा बांदपाक पूल बांदपाक हातोर आनी माती घालची पडटा. ती माती आनी हातोर एक बातीम लेक विच इज सच एन इको सेन्सिटीव एरिया. ते लेकीच्या कुशीक आख्खो दोंगर कातरला तेणी आनी कोणें कांयच म्हणूंक ना तेका. आनी तो म्हणटा म्हाका कडेन परमिशनां आहलीं. सो दॅट इज द लेवल हो आमचो सरकार पळय पाड घालता तो गोंयचे. दॅट इज द लेवल दॅट दे आर. And sir talks about sustainability and viability. I would like to ask sir की हिंगा हुंची sustainability आहली आणि कितें viability आहली तो दोंगर कातरतना. DLFची आनी हेंची रेस मागोसाची आमी मागीर उलोवया. बट सरकाराक बेसीक तांकां तें पडलेलें ना की बाबा हो पूल बांदतना हेका कांयच गरज ना. हिंगा थिंगा माती इतली गोंयाक माती पडलेली आहा. हुंची काडून तूं हाड थिंगा घाल. पूण तेणें कितें केलें, तेका लागीं खूंय मेवता थिंगा दोंगर कातरलो.
ना लागीं मेळटा न्हू. ती प्रॉपर्टी आहा पळय ती MLA ची प्रॉपर्टी. सिल्वेरा लास्ट फॉर्मल MLA ची
वय तेजी प्रॉपर्टी ती. ओके. आतां तेणें म्हणटा आपणें परमिशन काडलां, हें काडलां, तें काडलां. एवरीबडी ते तितून हँड इन ग्लव आहा. समजलो न्हू. दोंगर कातरला थिंगा. आतां थिंगा लेकी कुशीक ते कितें तरी बांदतले, बंगले बांदतले, कितें बांदतले. पूण
लेक
वय बांदतना म्हणटले ते अहें आहले ते आमी कातरूंक ना. तो दिलीप बिल्डकॉन येयलो, तेणें हायवे बांदली, कातरली आनी गेलो. आतां सिल्वेरा कितें म्हणटलो बाबा हांवें करूंक ना, ते अहें आहले ते म्हाका अहेंच मेवले ते. दिस इज द मोडस ऑपरंडी. आनी ते कितें चिंता गोंयकार सगलो पिसो न्हिदला ओ लंडनाक गेला आनी तेंचे कान फुटल्या म्हणून अहें कांयच ना. काल आमी पळयला चिंचिनी आमची एक प्रोटेस्ट जाल्ली, थिंगा लोक भायर सरला. हे पळय भोंवता थिंगा, एक्टिविस्ट भोंवता थिंगा, ऑपोजिशन MLAs भोंवता थिंगा, वयता थिंगा लोक भायर सरला आनी भायर सरतलोच. आनी हे पळय उलयतना सर वेन सर इज एक्स्ट्रीमली I admire the way he professionally he is excellent at it. Like, you know, even if I learn a little bit from him, I'm going to be very blessed.
Yeah.
But you know, where he has done it, where he said land conversions is different and hill cutting is different. No sir, it is not the different. The land is converted then cut and ते मागीर total पाड पडटा. पयले कन्वर्जन जाता. हे पळय 30 कन्वर्जन्स हो पळय आमचो स्वप्नेश बाब बॉन हिंगा थिंगा मिटींग घेता आनी ते 30 कन्वर्जन्साचे एक लिस्ट PDF तो प्रोजेक्टरार घालता आनी लोकांक सांगता 30 कन्वर्जन्स अंडर 39A विश्वजीत राणे हिमसेल्फ सोलली हे सायन्ड दोज कन्वर्जन्स. ते कन्वर्जनान ते 30 कन्वर्जन्सान 18 जाग्यांचेर हिल कटिंग करून आसतना तांकां कांयच मेवना. थिंगा दोंगर तेणी कातरूंक ना जाल्यार ते कांय फायद्याचो न्हू. तो कन्वर्जन पयलें जातलें, दोंगर मागीर कातरतले. मागीर विश्वजीत कितें म्हणटालो दोंगर कातरपाक हांवें दिवंक ना कित्याक तेच्या हातीन नाच ते सरान म्हणला पळय थंय. नाच त्याच्या हातीन.
Hill
पण
cutting,
conversion-
nobody can do that.
Nobody can give a hill cutting permission.
Want me to answer?
I am saying that, like, you know, by distributing the two and saying conversion is separate, hill cutting is separate, okay, it is easy to divert and have separate conversations, but it all boils down to the same thing. General ecological destruction and going चे पळय आहा ते आख्खे पाड घाला.
Yeah, because conversions I want to talk, Dodor, we'll talk about this later. Let Pratima finish, because conversions is a, actually everybody is talking bill cutting. No, piecemeal conversions are the biggest problem for Goa. Why the Congress government under Digambar Kamat, at that time Digambar Kamat, today in the BJP and probably likely to be a minister soon, why that government was thrown down?
Because of this.
Why? Because of conversions and our regional
16B was held, 16B was stayed by the High Court.
Correct,
No,
correct.
now they have bought 39A as a backdoor.
No, but why is it that the courts have to involve in the people's issue?
See,
People and the MLAs. Yeah, sorry, Pratima, because we
Yeah.
are almost finishing this thing. Pratima.
Yeah.
Yes.
सी हांव स्ट्रेट सांगता टू द पॉयंट. गोंय आमचें माणकुलें धाकलेशें गोंय, आमचें गोंय आमी एक दिसा भितर भोंवपाक भोंवून काबार करपाक शकता. पूण आतां कितें जालां, गोंय इज एज आय से ब्लेस्ड विथ ब्युटिफूल सिनिक ब्युटी विथ ट्रीज एंड टेम्पल, मॉस्क, बीचीस. सो यू नो एवरीवन गेट्स अट्रॅक्टेड टू कम टू गोवा एंड एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स अ प्लेस इन गोवा. जावं ते शर्मा वर्मा सगळे. पूण हांव कितें सांगूं सोदतां, तूं तांचे स्टेटीन वचून पळय, इफ यू कॅन इवन ड्रीम ऑफ बायींग अ प्लॉट
It's cheaper than Goa. Most of us can afford. We cannot afford in Goa. There we can afford probably. I'm just saying.
ते दिल्लीक वायले जावं आनी भायले जे येवन घेतात पळय, तेंचे कडेन कोट्यांनी पयशे आहा. ते येतात तेन्ना खंय न्ही 500 कोटी घेवन येता, डील डन, एडवान्स उरलेले मागीर. ते गोंयकारा कडेन जायना. आतां कितें जालां, जागे काबार केले गोंयचे, आमचे जागे काबार केले. आतां आमचे दोंगर आनी शेताचे फाटल्यान लागल्या. आनी चोरां कोण? हो कितें, आय अंडरस्टँड, ही इज गॉट अ सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर फॉर BJP, सो ही इज अ BJP spokesperson. I'm telling you,
No, he is not a
unofficial. I'm telling you why.
He's not a spokesperson.
What he said,
He is angling to be
ना
a
खंय
spokesperson.
सगळे बोर मारून करून जायना अशें ना. खंय ग्रीवियन्स सेल आसपा जाय, मोऱ्याचे ग्रीवियन्स सेल सगळे कडेन आसा. लोक तसो आटे घाला, हे घाला, कोण कानार मनार घेना. कित्याक एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स मनी. इट्स सो फनी इन द रिच मॅन्स पर्स. आयज फ्रॉम द टॉप टिल द डाऊन. टाउन प्लॅनर पळयात म्हणून तो राजेश नायकाक आमी पळयत येदो व्हडलो बोर्ड केला, ताका काडून उडय म्हणून 2 फावटी ताका एक्सटेंशन दिला. कित्याक बिकॉज ही इज डुईंग द डर्टी जॉब. ही इज डुईंग दीस पासिंग सगळें कन्वर्जन म्हणटा तो करता म्हणून ताकाच धरून आतां केला. ताचे ज्युनियर आसा हू आर केपेबल, बट ना, कित्याक ही इज मेंट टू डू द डर्टी जॉब बाय दीस पीपल. दुसरे काबार केला ते बरें आसा. परमिशनाचें सांगता, आमची पंचायती ज्यो आसा पळय, पंचायत्यो गोंयांत, ते सेक्रेटरी म्हूण आसतात पळय, ते सेक्रेटरी देखून हाडून दवरल्यात कोण? एसमॅन पोदेर राजेशान एक केल्लो आसा ते ओल्ड गोवा. ताजे आनी कितले तरी कंप्लेनी आयिल्ल्यो आसा. ताणें इलिगल रेज मागोसात, कालांगूट, डिलिमिनेशन हें तें केलां. पूण डर्टी वर्क करपाक, कित्याक दोंगराचें हेजें तेजें हें करपाक. सांकवाळ इज अ उदाहरण. सांकवाळ पंचायतींत आमी पयर गेलीं, आमी तांची मिटींग पळयली. कितें सांगू तुका, एक करपाचें रिजर्वेशन म्हणून ते बायले काडून कोणाक बसयला थिंगा. ते एक बायलेक बसयला, ती हुंय म्हणना, चुंय म्हणना, सांकवाळ ते सरपंच. And who is making her dance on her tunes is that Pillai. And we are going there, and what they are saying, Kota Asa, we are with the people, Kota Asa. They miss, we understand, money is important. But कितले म्हूण खातले रे तुमी, कितले म्हूण चोत्तले आनी कितले म्हूण तुमची पोटां भरना. आतां काल आमी आगरवाडा आशिल्लीं, तेच्या पयर आमी सांकवाळ आशिल्लीं, आनी मागीर पेडणे आमी भोंवत आसा, स्वप्नेशाक आमी तेको दीत आसा. बट लेट मी टेल यू, हे न्ही हेंची पोटां भरपाना आनी खंयचेच थंय पयला मिनिस्टर MLA उलयना. आयज राजेश नायकाचे चड जाल्ले आसा. पूण एक टायम आसता, पापाचो गळो म्हणटा तो भरता म्हणून. पूण आयज जशें रामान जाला तशें, जावं तो रामा, जावं तो शंकर, जावं ते प्रतिमा, जावं ते स्वप्नेश, लायक मायंडेड जे आसा पळय आमी एक्टिविस्ट, आयज मुखार सरल्यान. बिकॉज वी फील दॅट दे आर इलेक्टेड बट दे आर नॉट डुईंग एनीथिंग. बट वी रेज एंड वी पुश एंड वी शाउट एंड वी पुट प्रेशर, थिंग्स सेटल डावन जाता. So that is more important. People's power is more important. And the best part is today is गोंयकार जागो जाला. ग्लेनबाब आयज पयले भाशेन गोंयकार सुसेगाद ना. प्रत्येक गांवांतल्यान आमकां फोन येता, हांगा यात, थंय यात. अरे आयज दोंगर उरल्यात. हांव सदां म्हणटा एरोप्लेनींतल्यान येताना तूं पळय मरे, खड्डे तसले दिसता मरे, दिगंबराचो खड्डो तसो दिसता मरे तो. दिगंबर खड्डो आसा, फक्त भायल्यानूच केस आसा. ते खड्डे तासतात पळय, तेणे स्टार्ट केले. 2007 भुतानीचे परमिशन कोणे दिल्लें? इट वॉज दीस दिगंबर कमत ओनली. ह्या किडेन दिल्लो. फक्त आपले पोटलं करवा. These people only want to become rich and they want to accumulate all this wealth for their future generation.
not
Huh?
rich. They are already rich.
No, and they are still more because त्यांचे एक सांगता त्यांका त्यांचे फ्युचर जनरेशन करून 7 जन्मा करून दवरतात ते. आणि गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक आमच्या भुरग्यांक फ्युचर खंय रे. तांकां पयलीं आमी रानांत वयतालीं, रान दिसती पडटालें, फळां मेळटालीं, जनवरां दिसती पडटालीं, झाडां दिसतालीं. आतां कितें उरलां? कांयच ना.
Okay. I am out of time in this first segment, Pratima. Thank you very much. And now I don't know. We will discuss. I have a few points myself. I'm sorry. I'm also becoming like a panelist for this particular. I have a few points which we will bring in the second part. Keep watching Goa 365.